Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marsha's Mush and Stuff. And today I have homemade vanilla syrup for you to spruce up your waffles, pancakes, your breakfast, your smoothie, whatever. You're only going to need 3 ingredients for this, guys: sugar, vanilla extract, and water. You're going to need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now, I'll include this in the details. I do also put it up on the screen, so you'll see that to come. Again, it's hard for me to see as this rolls through what you guys are seeing at the moment, but you first add your water to your pot over medium to high heat for 8 to 9 minutes. So you may hear over my voiceover me tell my Google to set a timer. So anyway, that being said, I usually put mine on 5 and I stir in my water and my sugar. The vanilla is the last step. You do not add that while it's cooking. So I think the instructions are on the screen there. I hope anyway. But this is so simple, guys, and most of you have every bit of these ingredients in your house, and any glass container will do. You don't necessarily need a mason jar. I just happen to get these with my honey when I go to the produce stand, so I have tons of them. And just to let you know, like after you've made it, the sugar will like kind of granulate on the outside of the jar. That is a-okay. That is perfectly fine. It's supposed to do that once it's cold. So you want to just stir this occasionally for the 8 to 9 minutes that it is cooking. I don't record the whole time. Don't worry. Don't worry. No recording for that length of time. Just showing you the ingredients I added, how I add it, and what it's supposed to look like once it starts to cook. I actually show you that. I hope I'm showing you that right now. And then I come back once my timer goes off. You won't hear that because I press record after that. But it's so simple, and I am just one person here myself, so I use this all the time. I make this at least once a week. Need to get some more vanilla extract, but other than that, the sugar and the water are a given, and I always have the glass container. So you just want to keep stirring it. It's nothing fancy, nothing special to this method. I'm sure, in fact, if you Google it, oh yeah, and it does save a ton of money. Glad I saw that, because I have went to Kroger's and bought this, and it was almost $6 for a small bottle. Not even, maybe about the same. So there we go, over medium to high heat. And hopefully I gave you the instructions on the 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And guys, it just makes yummy vanilla syrup. So if you're tired of your maple syrup, add this. See what the kids think of this, or your husband, or your wife. You may just find that you really like this, and like I said, it's a huge money saver to make it at home. You don't spend near as much as you would. And here we go. So you add the vanilla extract after removing everything from heat, and then you just stir it in. You add that 1 tablespoon, not teaspoon, tablespoon, and you just stir it in, and then you'll transfer it over to your glass container. Now, I point out a few times that the pot I'm using is dented. I like this pot for this reason, because it transfers over easy. That dent in the pot helps it just to go right into there. But, you know, if you don't have a dented pot, you could always hold it over something. And it does keep for up to 2 weeks or more with refrigeration. I'm sure it would even keep longer than that. You want to Google that. I'm no expert, I'm no cook, I'm no chef, but this I do make often, and I do use it just about every day in my smoothies. And I will show you guys how I make my smoothies to come. But there you go, voila. It's done, it's ready, it looks like liquid gold, and I just pop the top on and pop it in my fridge, and that's it, guys. 3 ingredients, 3 simple steps, and you have homemade vanilla syrup for breakfast. And then you refrigerate it. Don't forget to pop it in the fridge or it will go bad. So you do need to store it in the refrigerator. So guys, that is it. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for subscribing. Please give me a big thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. I hope everybody has a blessed day. Thanks. Bye.